In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tips, how to create batch payments. Batch payments let you pay multiple supplier bills in one go, saving time and reducing errors compared to paying each bill individually. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and add a few tips so you feel confident from start to finish. First, log into your Xero account. On the sign-in page, enter your credentials and complete any multi-factor authentication if prompted. Keep your login details secure and avoid using shared computers where possible. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Give it a quick glance to make sure you're in the right organization if you manage more than one. From the dashboard, open the business menu and choose Bills to Pay. This is your hub for managing supplier invoices. In the Bills area, switch to the Awaiting Payment tab. This view shows all bills that are approved and not yet paid. If a bill you're expecting doesn't appear here, it may still be in draft or awaiting approval, so make sure it's fully approved before continuing. Now select the bills you want to include in your batch. Use the checkboxes to pick each bill. It's a good idea to scan the amounts, due dates, and suppliers to avoid duplications or overpaying. If you need to prioritize cash flow, sort by due date or supplier to pick what's most urgent. Also, ensure each supplier has valid bank details recorded in Xero. Missing details can delay a batch later. With your bills selected, click Make Payment, then choose Batch Payment. This tells Xero you want to pay several bills together in one transaction. Click Continue to move into the batch setup screen. Here, set the payment date to the day you want the funds to be paid. This is especially important if you're scheduling payments ahead of time. Next, select the bank account the payment will come from. Double check you're using the correct account, especially if you operate in multiple currencies or keep separate accounts for different entities. Before finalizing, review the list of bills in the batch one last time. Look for the right totals, correct suppliers, and the exact amounts. If anything looks off, you can go back and adjust your selections. When you're happy, click Make Payments to create the batch. Depending on your setup and location, you may download a payment file for your bank or submit the batch through a connected payment service. That's it. Your batch is created and you've streamlined your payables process. Keep this workflow in your toolkit and you'll save time every payment run.